welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently in my car. I have a couple errands to run today. It's the Friday before Mother's Day and I'm a procrastinator and I need to go get my mom something and I don't know what. Like, I'm just at a loss of ideas. I don't know what to get her. So I figured I'm gonna just scope out, see what I can find. But before I hit up any stores, well, what stores are open, because, you know, shout out to Corona, everything's shut down. So I've got to figure out what I can find. Last minute, I can't order anything. I'd love for her to have something. But in the meantime, before I hit up anywhere, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and take a hike. And so right now I'm on route to the Greenbelt here in Austin, and I've hiked it before with my kids. It's pretty fun. I like it. It's very scenic, very pretty, lots of trees. I've seen people like rock climbing, pretty cool. But I want to try and see if I can find this nice pretty waterfall. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it. I've seen pictures of it and it is so pretty. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So just hang tight, follow along, and let's see if we can find this. Okay, so I just made it here. I just parked. I'm going to go ahead and get my hiking backpack. This little fancy thing here, just to put all my stuff in. And we will go on this hike and see if we can find this waterfall. So I'm here. I'm starting the hike. It is very, very pretty. And this is just the entrance. The view is already spectacular. So I have no idea where this waterfall is, how far I have to walk, or any of that. Oh guys, hold on, check this out. Look at this. This is just the entrance already. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, let's keep walking. Like I said, I'm just at the beginning of this. And hopefully we can find this pretty waterfall. And if you're wondering, this is kid friendly. There's a family ahead of me. They have their little one with them that looks about like maybe 3 or 4 years old. So I mean, there is going to be water coming up, so if you want to like come out here and bring your family and like play in the water, or bring your dog, that's definitely something you can do out here. If you're from Austin, I would recommend trying this out. If you're not from Austin and you're totally visiting and you want to do something off the grid that's free, because you know I like free things, there's plenty of trails and hikes to do. This one, just a reminder, is the Greenbelt. Guys, this is so pretty already. I'm just like, ugh. Okay, I'm gonna turn this phone off so I can not trip over anything, and I'll come back in a little while and give you an update as to where I'm at and what I'm doing. Okay guys, I'm about maybe 10 minutes into this, and I just want y'all to check this out. Looks like water was at some point here. We haven't had too much rain, so there's not very much water, but it's a very pretty view. Look. Quite nice. There's other people out here. Family with their kids and their dog. A rocky walk so far right now. But very nice. I'm going to hop back on the trail itself and I'll check back in a minute. All right, quick break. We found water. Nice little family enjoying the water. It is very clear, very pretty. I'm going back onto the trail. I didn't want to disturb them, but good news is there is water. So I'm back on the trail. Let's keep hunting. Lots of people, so I'm gonna take this trail, see what we can find. Hopefully some water. I think so. Oh yes, flowing water. Oh, look at that, so pretty. Wow. So I'll stop for a minute and say, if you find you a body of water while hiking, you have definitely hit the jackpot. How beautiful this is. It's flowing, so it's like super clear. Let me see if I can turn this around so you guys can actually like see how clear the water is. All right. I can see to the bottom. I could just stand here, sit here all day, or even like take a dip in the water. Very pretty. So this is a good sign. Hopefully we do find this waterfall, but if not, we still got some great views out of this. But back on the hunt, guys, back on the hunt. So I found that pretty waterfall, small one. Not the one I'm looking for, but it is very nice. And I just sat down and enjoyed the moment and totally forgot to record really anything other than just the sound of the water. So I apologize for that, but it was really nice. It felt nice, cool breeze. So yes, I enjoyed that. Guys, that was really nice. Check this out. It's like something you would see in a movie. Look at that, so pretty. This is why I go on hikes, guys. Look at these views. Things you don't see in the city. Anything like that. Like just a moment to realize like how beautiful this planet really is. Just beautiful. Look what I found. How pretty. Alright guys, I found my waterfall. I know there's bigger ones, but it's getting late in the day. It's already 2 o'clock and I still need to go find my mom a Mother's Day gift. So I'm gonna take my happy ass back to the car and I will meet you guys there. Okay guys, I'm back at the car. I made it. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. It is now 3:06. So it took about an hour. Take this off. I'm sorry. Took about an hour to walk back. Still not a bad view. Anyways, so we didn't get to find the super big waterfall that I was looking for, but we did see some other waterfalls that were quite nice. I feel satisfied. I thought it was a good hike. Maybe if you guys decide to hike the Greenbelt and you come across the waterfall, please let me know. Or if you've already done it and come across the waterfall, that's so cool. Share that with me because I will live through you when it comes to that waterfall. Anyways, so if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate you sticking around. Please like, comment any ideas if you want to see another hike. I do go on hikes with my kids, so if you'd like to see something more family friendly, something that you can take your kids on, maybe not as intense maybe, just let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, I'm out of here. I am hot. And I still gotta find my mama a Mother's Day gift. Lord, be with me.